Good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of SOS in Physical Education, I, Jyoti Sandekar, presenting a short speech on the occasion of National Sports Day. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand is also known as hockey wizard and a magician. Hockey for his super ball control and a magical touches. Major Dhyan Chand considered the greatest player in hockey who won gold medals in Olympics for India. He is considered the greatest player in a hockey. Major Dhyan Chand plays a key role in India when India won the three Olympic medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. That era was led by Major Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in 12 matches. He learned the game of hockey from his coach Pankaj Gupta. Major Dhyan Chand was elected the captain of the Indian hockey team. Also served the Indian Army and brought pride to the country. He is only player who won the Padma Bhushan award. The most noted memorials of a Major Dhyan Chand is Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award of lifetime achievement of sports and games in India. There is no one who has reached in his level in hockey and scored more than 400 goals during a career and spanned the over 20 years from 1926 to 1948, while scoring nearly thousands goals in his entire career. On this day, President of India honors sports personality with major awards including Khel Ratna, Arjun Awards, Dronacharya Awards and Dhyan Chand Awards. Also, National Sports Day is celebrated in various countries to honor the national sports teams and sports tradition. On this day, various sports events and organized like kabaddi, marathons, hockey and more. People from different age groups take part in these sports and spread awareness of importance and sports daily activities in every individual's life. So to keep a real tribute to such a legendary player, the Government of India has marked his birthday on as a National Sports Day since 2012. Also, the Indian Postal Department issued the stamps in his honor as a tribute, and the National Stadium of Delhi was also renamed to Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. National Sports Day is not only a tribute to one of the greatest personalities, but it is also remind us the importance of sports in our life. Participation in sports can help building self-esteem, confidence and can motivate the students to excel in their lives and help building their social skills among us. There are quite number of people who are not just excel in athletics activities and sports, but more importantly have a passion of such a passion that so just affect our life in a sports. So just play, have fun and enjoy the game. Thank you all.
Dedicated to players, coaches, federations, physical education teachers and professors across India and world who gave this moment to celebrate the greatest win in Olympics. We got the highest number of medals in history of Indian Olympics. So I invite the student of BP at 4th semester Now, I would like to invite Miss Lokeshwari Yadav to demonstrate the skill of badminton, in which Indian shuttler Miss PV Shindu has given us back-to-back 2 medals in consecutive Olympics. She won silver medal at Rio Olympics 2016 and bronze medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Miss Lokeshwari Yadav. तब चले सियाले धूम धूम तब तक मैं होगी धूम धूम तुझे अब ये दिखाना Miss PV Sindhu is the first Indian woman player to win 2 medals at Olympics. Now, I would like to invite Miss Sushila to demonstrate the skill of boxing, in which Indian boxer Miss Lavlina Borhan has given us bronze medal in boxing in 69 kg weight category. Miss Sushila. Now, I would like to invite Miss Pooja to demonstrate the skill of boxing, in which Indian boxer Mrs. Mary Kom has given bronze medal at London Olympics 2012 and multiple medals in Asian Championship, Commonwealth and World Championship. Unfortunately, we didn't get any medal this time in Tokyo Olympics, but she had won our hearts and will forever inspire us. Miss Pooja.
तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Deep Narayan and Mr. Khilesh to demonstrate the skill of wrestling, in which Indian wrestlers Mr. Ravi Dahiya and Mr. Bajrang Punia has won silver and bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics 2020. Mr. Deep Narayan and Mr. Khilesh Nisad. The drought of 41 years has been finished. India last won medal in hockey was in 1980 at Moscow Olympics. India men hockey team has done this time in 2020. India won bronze medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Indian women's hockey team didn't got any medal this time, but what they gave us is more than a medal. To learn it. Now, this year, what happened was fabulous. In Tokyo Olympics 2020, the dream of legendary Milkha Singh has been fulfilled. Our golden boy, Mr. Neeraj Chopra, has done that. We won gold medal in athletics in event javelin throw this time. So, I invite Mr. Pokhraj Deheria to demonstrate the skill of javelin throw. जब चले जियाले घूम घूम तब जग में ये घूम घूम देखेगी दुनिया घूम घूम हम सबको हरा के घर आएंगे Now, I would like to call Miss Nandini to demonstrate the skill of fencing, in which our first fighter, our first fencer from India, Miss Bhavani Devi, has qualified for Tokyo Olympics and raised the hope in girls and boys to qualify in Olympics and win a medal.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। अरे जो भी है कहते हैं तुम पे हम ध्यान से।
Thank you.